business process that Pipefy just offered to us. Okay, these are templates, so you can easily just select, and once you select it, Pipefy will automatically create and design every stage for you. Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Pipefy video, and today I'd like to share with you guys how to design a sales pipeline process from scratch in just 3 clicks with this powerful platform called Pipefy. Let's do it together. Guys, here you are already seeing my Pipefy screen, so I already logged in my account. So if you don't know how to do it, there's a video here in our YouTube channel that I explain you in detail how to start with Pipefy from scratch. Okay, so check it out, that video, and then come back here to continue. From this point, I will just click it here on this plus symbol. Then I'll be able to see that much business process that Pipefy just offered to us. Okay, these are templates, so you can easily just select, and once you select it, Pipefy will automatically create and design every stage for you. After this, you will be able to edit those stages in order to be better fit for your needs. All right, but once you don't see the workflow that you are looking for over here, you just have to go left corner over here on sort templates, and then just type the template that you are looking for, the process that you are looking to create. So in this case, sales pipeline. Once you just start to type, Pipefy just met this term with some templates and show me here someone that fit properly with my expression. In this case, sales pipeline. So you just have to click it here, and then there is this short video explaining details how this process works, so you can just check how this process will work in your daily basis in your company. And once you check, then you see, okay, this is perfect for me, you just have to click it here, use template. Then wait for a while. Sometimes we just have this message, but just forget about this message, depends of your users. Okay, you just have to wait. Sometimes Pipefy just spin this page and doesn't open this page also. Okay, if you don't receive these results, just go a little bit down and you will see a short link called if the workflow, the pipe didn't run it yet, just click it here, and once you click it in that button, Pipefy will redirect you directly to this page, to this screen. Okay, once you have this page, you already have your stages over here. So prospect, discover, proposal, negotiation, follow up, won or lost. This is the template, but you are able to edit each stage. For example, if I wanna add in, I need another stage over here, I just click in this plus symbol in the middle of the stage. Can you see it? If I click it, I have just to rename this new stage, this new phase. For example, this will be the, for example, email contact, because in my case, I will contact each prospect by email before discover part. Then I can just set this as a end of the process, which means that will be won or lost, something like that, but in this case is not, so I will not click on this. Also, I can click here in this yellow create cards on this phase, and then Pipefy just allowed us to start the process by this phase. As you can see, we have in this, I will just click it in the X symbol, just close it for a while, guys, for you, just to explain something. If you check this prospect stage, we have this symbol, this plus, which means that this is the start phase of my workflow. Okay, once you create a new one, if you allow creating cards on this stage, Pipefy will either create a card here on prospect or in the stage that you are creating. Okay, I won't continue from this, but if you just want to create, you just have to do like this, email contact, and then click on save. Okay, once you do it, Pipefy just created here the stage. Also, you are able to edit each stage if you just moving your mouse over here above the stage, the name of the stage, you are able to see this edit phase option. Once you click, you can just customize the fields, you can customize the information that you have here on this stage, and also you can customize automations, emails automations, also pipe settings, so you'll be able to add everything on this stage and also on this pipe as well. Okay, that's how Pipefy works to create a process from scratch. For today, I would like to share just this for you because this is a lot actually. And then in the next videos, I'm gonna show you in details how to design its stage, how to create an email automation. But we have here already in our YouTube channel one video that I'll show you from scratch how to design and customize one business process from scratch. Okay, so if you are looking for more information, just go there and you will see. All right, that's all for today, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.